Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's requested video, we are going to be talking about what actually happens when you place your shop on vacation mode, and once you return from the much needed break, why you might notice a decrease in views and sales. So you want to make sure that you stick around all the way to the end to learn why this happens. Now, if this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe today. I do upload weekly videos to help you build an impactful online business. And guys, this is for everyone. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you can be the first one notified of any new videos that I upload to the channel. So let's go ahead and begin. When a buyer does a search on the Etsy feed, Etsy's goal is to help them find whatever they're looking for. And Etsy looks at clues from shoppers to determine whether a listing is appealing and meets the expectations once they click. So they look at determining factors like how many people viewed it and then made a purchase to determine whether buyers are interested in it, which boosts that listing quality score and placement in the search results. So keep in mind, every new listing you upload to Etsy will have a listing quality score. A new listing will have a no score. It will be neutral to everyone else. And based on how people are interacting and if they're buying, that's how Etsy determines whether it will rank in the search feed and what listing score it will be assigned. So when you place a shop in vacation mode and you take, like we said in the beginning, the much needed break, when you come back and activate your shop again, you might not see the same traffic to your shop from search as before you went away. And that's because now Etsy is gathering up information about how buyers interact with other listings while your listing quality score stays the same. Once you return from vacation and your listings are appearing in the search results again, they will start to gather up date information about how shoppers are interacting with your listings, and then with time you will start getting traffic depending on how your listing compares to others. So this is the main reason why so many Etsy sellers see a decrease in views when they place their shop on vacation mode and then they come back and turn it back on. So I hope you learned something new today. Let me know in the comment section below if this has happened to you. Have you seen a decrease anytime you place your store on vacation? And thank you guys for watching.